Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Mei Lee on Dress to Impress. No VIP required except for the glasses, but you can switch that out. I'm just going to delete everything except for the hair. I used this hair in this color, DA5D2F. No adjustments, toggled it to no bangs, and selected this hair in the same color, and toggled the position at Y.54, Z.47, and scaled it down to 0.31. Now for the outfit itself, I'm just going to get this shirt in this color, E15B4B, and actually let me see if, whoops, wrong one. If this is better, let me remove this first, and then I'm just going to use this skirt in this gray color. Get these like stockings in this color. Wait, toggle it to no feet first and color it this color here, 532F27. And then for the shoes, we're going to use these in this gray here, and then this color, C85D5D, and then this again, and then that color again. And then for the glasses, I'm just going to use these round glasses in gray for the frames and the jewels. And then for the collar, I'm going to use this in just color in all white. And I think I'm just going to do this sweater instead. And I am just going to maybe make the glasses a little bit smaller, like that. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to I think I'm just going to put this on real quick. Okay, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!